Assalamualaikum and welcome back, Year 5 students. Today we are going to continue with Unit 4 and the topic is school subjects. Okay, let's start. The aim for today's lesson is for you to talk about your favorite subjects in school. Favorite subjects, okay, remember subjects. What you are going to need in today's lesson are your handout. Okay, this is what is written on your handout. The label is Unit 4, English Plus 1, Students Book 42, 43 and 44. Sebab teacher gabung semua sekali. Okay, again, Unit 4, English Plus 1, Students Book 42, 43 and 44. The label is at the top of the pages. Okay, alright. You also need pencil and eraser, a red pen for you to mark, and also a camera, because today's aim of our lesson is talking, so you are going to be recording a video later at the end of your task, so you are going to need a camera. Alright, so what are the subjects you are learning in school? Apa subjek-subjek yang awak belajar dekat sekolah? Okay. Alright, let's look at the subjects together. Do you remember any of it? Ada yang awak ingat? Sikit? Semua? Okay, let's look at it together. First, you have Bahasa Melayu. And then you have English with me. And then you have Mathematics. And then Science. Arabic, Bahasa Arab, Islamic Studies, Pendidikan Islam, Physical Education, Pendidikan Jasmani, Health Education, Pendidikan Kesihatan, Visual Arts, Pendidikan Seni Visual, and Music, Pendidikan Music. You also have other subjects like RBT and sejarah, right? Alright, so those are history, and RBT is, I'm not sure. Why don't you look for the name of RBT in English and then you can tell me. Okay. Alright, let's continue. Okay, let's start with your exercise. Get ready with your handout. For exercise 1, you are going to match the subjects to its description. Okay, padankan subjek-subjek yang ada dalam kotak tu dengan dia punya penerangan, maksud dia. Okay, read carefully. Baca elok-elok. If there are words that you do not understand, use your dictionary to find the words to help you understand. Okay? Remember to pause the video while you do the exercise. Pause sekarang. Buat cepat. And then you can play the video again. Pause dulu. Pause. Okay, go. Buat. Alright. Are you done? Okay, let's check your answers. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 subjects here. The first one is Visual Art, Pendidikan Seni Visual, English, Islamic Education, Pendidikan Islam, Arabic, Bahasa Arab, History, Sejarah, Physical Education, Pendidikan Jasmani, Science, Information and Communication Technology, TMK. But Year 5 don't have TMK, I think. But you know what TMK is. Belajar komputer, belajar elektronik, and mathematics. Okay, let's match. Kita padankan dia, okay? Are you ready to check your answer? Make sure dah siap, Okay, bawa keluar pen merah. Take out your red pen. Okay, take out your red pen. Dah siap? Ready? Okay, let's check your answers together. The first one, visual arts. What is the description? Ta-da! Yang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yang kelima. In this subject, you draw and paint. Awak melukis dan mengecat. Sometimes you make models. Kadang-kadang ada buat binaan. Okay? Alright. If you have this correct, you can put a tick dekat visual arts or you can put a tick dekat description. Whichever you like. Okay? Alright. Number 2. English. English. This one. Number 8 punya description. In this subject, you learn how to read and write using the English language. Belajar menulis dan membaca menggunakan bahasa Inggeris. Okay, again, if you have this correct, you can put a tick at the subject or its description. Okay, number 3, Islamic education. Pendidikan Islam. Okay, which one? At the top. In this subject, you learn about Islamic values, okay, nilai-nilai Islam, and how to read the Quran. And you also have Quran class, okay? Again, if you have that correct, you can put a tick on the subject or the description. Okay, next, number 4, Arabic. Arabic is, yang ni. In this subject, you learn the Arabic language. Ini senang. Kat sini ada Arabic, kat sini pun ada Arabic. Okay, make sure betul. Okay, again, boleh tick kat sini, boleh tick kat sini. Okay, next. History. Sejarah. Sejarah kat mana? Kat mana sejarah? Dekat bawah sekali. At the very bottom of the list. In this subject, you learn what happened in the past. Apa yang telah berlaku di masa lalu. 20 tahun dulu ke, 30 tahun dulu ke. Okay, so you learn all of this in history. Alright, next. Physical education, pendidikan jasmani. So in this subject, dekat mana? This one. You do sports and learn about healthy habits. Awak bersukan dan belajar tentang amalan-amalan sihat. Termasuklah senaman and stuff. Okay? Next, science. Science. Sebelah dia. In this subject, you learn about animals, plants and the universe. Awak belajar tentang haiwan, tentang tumbuh-tumbuhan and also alam semesta. Okay, next. Information and Communications Technology, ICT. Kat mana? Dekat sini, number 3. In this subject, you learn how to use the computer and technology. Dalam kelas ICT, belajar pasal komputer, pasal internet. Alright. And the last one, mathematics. Dekat sini. In this subject, you do calculations with numbers and money. Dalam subjek ini, anda belajar mengira dengan nombor dan kadang-kadang duit. Okay? Kalau betul semua, bolehlah buat bintang besar-besar. Dekat situ. Good job. Well done, everyone. Tepuk tangan sikit. Tepuk bahu. Terror. Let's continue with your exercise 2. Alright, for this exercise, you are going to fill in the blanks, isi tempat kosong with the suitable subjects dengan nama-nama subjek yang sesuai. Yang kita dah belajar tadi. Ada visual arts, English, mathematics, science, history, all that stuff. Okay? Use the pictures to help you. Ada gambar kan? Okay, so you use gambar-gambar tu untuk tolong awak decide what is the subject. Okay? Alright, jangan lupa pause while you do the exercise. Pause video ni sekarang, pergi buat dulu exercise tu. Dah siap nanti, you can play the video again. Jangan tipu, jangan meniru. Berhenti dulu, buat. Kemudian baru check. Jangan tipu, tipu dosa. Okay, go. Are you done? Dah siap? Boleh kita check jawapan? Ke baru nak buat? Kalau baru nak buat, pause sekarang. Kalau dah siap, jom kita check jawapan. Okay, yang mula-mula. What picture is this? What do you think this is? Look at the question. Are you good at visual arts? Tengok dia tengah melukis. He's painting. He's drawing and painting. Okay, number 2. Okay, that's a picture of the Al-Quran. What do you think it is? English? Mathematics? What do you think? When's our next Islamic Studies exam? Kan tadi Islamic Studies tu you learn about the Al-Quran kan? So this is the Islamic Studies. Okay, number 3. Okay, what picture is this? There's a tambah, a tolak, a darab and also a bahagi. Is the science or history or ICT? Okay, what's the question? Are you a genius? What's this? This should be mathematics. Okay, so are you a mathematics genius? Teacher lupa nak cakap. Kalau if you have this correct, you can put a tick over here, over here, over here. Okay, add the answer. Alright, let's continue. Number 4. Okay, what picture is this? Ni gambar apa? There's a beaker, there's a few beakers, there's a flask, and then there's something coming out. Okay, the question is your notebook organized? Buku nota awak okay ke? Tersusun tak? What subject do you think this is? This would be science. Kan ada belajar tambah tu, tambah ni, keluar ni. So science. Alright, again, if you have this correct, put a tick over here. Okay, next. Number 5. Let's look at the picture. What's in the picture? There's a mobile phone, there's a computer, there's email, and then there's the internet, World Wide Web. There's a search picture. What do you think this is? History? Arabic? English? Is it? Have we got a or an? Dekat sini ada benda kena pilih. A ke an? Apa? Class tomorrow. What do you think it is? This should be Information and Communications Technology, ICT. Okay, tadi dia suruh pilih A dengan N. Nak pilih apa? Tengok depan information ni. What letter is this? Is this a vowel or a consonant? Is it a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, or a consonant, other letters? It's an I, so it's a vowel. So we should use A or N. And okay, so kalau betul, write dekat sini. Okay, number 6. What is this? Siapa mana baca Jawi? Alif, Lam, Ain, Ra, Ba, Ya, Ta. Al-Arabiyyah. So it should be, do you study other languages like Al-Arabiyyah tadi apa? Arabic. Awak belajar dekat buku teks awak kata dia apa? Al-Lughatul Arabiyyah kan? Okay, so Arabic. Next. There's a picture of I don't know who, but he looks old. Macam gambar lama kan, hitam putih. So it should be, have you got history homework today? Ada kerja sekolah sejarah tak hari ni? Alright, next. The English +1. Rindu buku ni tak? Okay, so it should be, do you think that our English textbook is interesting? Dah tulis je kat sini English. Siapa salah ni jaga dia. Okay, and the last one is, okay, what picture is this? Favorite awak ni. Main bola, main badminton. Dah lama tak boleh main badminton, main bola dengan kawan kan? So is, what was the name of PJ tadi? Physical education, a subject at your school. Okay, so again, if you have this correct, you can draw a star. Oh, cantik star. Okay, Good job. Tepuk bahu. Oh, tera. Let's continue with our next exercise. Okay, exercise 3. Exercise 3 kita nak baca-baca sikit. So, exercise 3, the first instruction is read the projects. Kita akan baca sama-sama. And then you are going to answer these questions. Awak akan jawab soalan-soalan ni. Okay, soalan dia. Where are the schools? Dekat mana sekolah-sekolah tu? And is the writer positive or negative about them? Dia punya writer tu, penulis tu. Penulis tu positif ke negatif pasal benda tu? Dia suka ke dia tak suka? Okay, let's look at this together. Okay, kita akan buat sama-sama. Kita akan baca sama-sama. Okay, let's read this together. I will read and you follow. Awak acah-acah lah macam teacher ada kat situ. Awak ikut teacher baca, okay? This is a geography class in Bangladesh. The students are studying on a boat school. It's a great idea because transport can be a big problem here when there's a lot of rain. The boat isn't moving at the moment, but at the start and end of the day, it goes along the river to the students' village. Alright, good job. Okay, so dia kata ini ialah kelas geografi. Dekat mana? Dekat Bangladesh. Okay, kita tengok dulu gambar ni. Ini adalah boat school. Ini boat, atas tu budak-budak belajar. So ada kerusi for them to sit, ada cikgu ni, cikgu dia. Okay, the students are studying on a boat school. Sebab sekolah ni atas boat, so it's called a boat school. It's a great idea. Idea yang sangat bagus because transport can be a big problem here when there's a lot of rain. Sebab dia kata kenderaan susah. Okay, bila a lot of rain, banyak hujan. Maksudnya kalau hujan lama-lama, jalan tenggelam kot, banjir. So, kalau naik boat school, budak still boleh pergi sekolah kan. Tak payahlah redah banjir. Dia duduk atas boat tu bawa lah naik air kot. Okay, the boat isn't moving at the moment. Dalam gambar ni di tengah tak bergerak. Bawah ni atas tanah lah ni, bukan dalam air ni. But at the start and end of the day, tapi di permulaan dan penghujung hari, it goes along the river to the students' village. Dia akan lalu sungai, lalu dekat kampung-kampung budak-budak ni. Berhenti dekat sini ambil budak, lepas tu dia terus berhenti dekat sini ambil budak. Jadi semua orang boleh pergi sekolah. Okay? Alright. So now let's look at the question. Where is the school? Dekat mana sekolah ni? Where do you think it is? Ada nama apa dekat sini? Apa nama negara yang dekat sini? This is a geography class in Bangladesh. So, you should write the school is in Bangladesh. Okay, tulis. The school is in Bangladesh. Kalau awak tulis lambat, awak pause dulu video ni, okay? Dah siap tulis? Kita play balik. Alright, teacher teruskan. Alright, the second question. Is the writer positive or negative about it? Penulis dia. Penulis dia suka ke penulis dia tak suka idea boat school ni? What do you think? The answer is positive. Kenapa positif? Macam mana teacher tahu dia positif? Sebab dia cakap apa? It's a great idea. Idea yang sangat bagus. Jadi penulis ni setuju. Dia cakap great idea. Macam awak lah, awak tengok movie kan. Pasal awak cerita dekat kawan awak, movie tu best tau. So itu awak punya idea. Positive or negative. Awak suka, so awak cakap best. Kalau awak tak suka, awak cakap dah benda movie tu. Okay, so it's like that. So the writer ni, dia cakap it's a great idea. Idea yang bagus. Understand? Okay, good. Alright, let's continue with the next school. Tengok gambar ni. Tengok rambut dia. Nampak macam Mak Sales. Baju. Wow. Ada lagi orang pakai baju macam ni. Okay, dekat sekolah dia lah. Ni uniform sekolah dia macam-macam orang dulu-dulu. Okay, so let's read together. Macam tadi, awak dengar, awak ikut. Okay? Eton College is one of Britain's oldest and most expensive private schools, and it looks like the students are wearing Britain's oldest, most expensive uniforms. Not very practical. They're walking to a lesson. This is a boarding school. Students study, eat, and sleep here. Alright, thank you for following me. Okay, nama sekolah ni ialah Eton College. So dia college, dia bukan sekolah rendah. Okay, so Eton College is one of Britain's oldest and most expensive private schools. Okay, dia dekat Britain. Oldest, what is old? Tua. Jadi us maksudnya paling tua. Dia adalah salah satu sekolah yang paling tua, dah lama sangat ada dekat Britain tu. And most expensive, paling mahal. Private schools. Private schools ni maksudnya sekolah swasta. Sekolah berbayar. Macam sekolah kita, sekolah kerajaan kan, sekolah kebangsaan. Private schools dia tak ada tulis kebangsaan. Okay. And it looks like the students are wearing Britain's oldest, most expensive uniforms. Dan nampaknya macam murid-murid dia are wearing, memakai Britain's oldest, most expensive uniforms. Macam uniform dia ni paling tua juga dan paling mahal. Kan, baju-baju sekarang mana ada macam ni. Dengan kot labuhnya, siap pakai tuxedo lagi dekat dalam. Alright. Not very practical. Tak practical. Kenapa? Sebabnya in real life, dia tak pakai baju macam ni pun. Dekat luar dia tak pakai baju macam ni. Pakai t-shirt dengan jeans je lah sama. Tapi sebab sekolah sini kena beli baju ni. Baju ni mahal. They're walking to a lesson. Di tengah jalan nak pergi kelas. This is a boarding school. Ini ialah sekolah berasrama. Boarding means berasrama. Students study. Murid-murid dia belajar, eat, makan, and sleep here. Tidur pun kat sini. Macam sekolah asrama lah kan. Pagi dia pergi sekolah, balik dia makan dekat dewan makan. Lepas tu tidur dekat bilik dia lah dekat asrama. So everything happens in this school. Okay, now back to our questions. Number 1, where is the school? Dekat mana sekolah ni? Apa nama tempat yang dia tulis dalam ni? Is it Eton? No, it's Britain. So tulis macam tadi. The school is in Britain. Hari ni kita just jawapan panjang sikit. The school is in Britain. Okay, macam tadi kalau awak tulis lambat, berhentikan dulu video ni. Pause the video. Salin dulu. Okay. I will continue. Is the writer positive or negative about it? Orang yang tulis ni, dia positif ke dia negatif? What do you think? Yes or no? The answer is no, negative. Dia tak suka. Macam mana kita nak tahu dia suka ke tak? Dia tulis dekat dalam ni, ada benda dia tulis dekat dalam ni menunjukkan dia tak suka. Dia tulis not very practical, tak practical. Dia membangkang. Dia kata kenapa pakai baju macam ni? Tak sesuai. Jadi dia tak setuju. Negative. Okay? Alright. Let's continue with the next school. Seterusnya. Buat kenapa dia ni? Main colek-colek pipi pula dah. Tutup mata. Sudah tidur. Okay. Kita baca sama-sama, kita tengok Macam tadi, ikut teacher baca, right? The students in a Chinese primary school aren't sleeping. They're having a break from their maths class and they're doing eye exercises. It's important to relax your eyes when you're studying, and students in China do these exercises twice a day. Alright, kita baca sama-sama. The students in a Chinese primary school aren't sleeping. Dia kata murid-murid ni dekat sekolah rendah. Primary school means sekolah rendah macam awak. Sekolah rendah, sekolah kebangsaan, sekolah rendah kan. Kalau sekolah menengah, ada tulis sekolah menengah kebangsaan. Sekolah menengah we call secondary school. Sekolah kedua, second. Primary means first. Jadi sekolah pertama awak. Jadi sekolah rendah lah. So, primary school aren't sleeping. Tak tidur. Dia bukan tengah tidur, dia pejam mata ni. They're having a break. Dia tengah break sekejap. Awak kan ada, in your last task, you asked me from a break kan? From their maths class and they're doing exercises. Eye exercises. Dia tengah rehat sekejap daripada kelas matematik dia and they're doing eye exercises. Buat latihan mata. Exercise mata supaya mata dia dapat rehat. Pejam. Lepas tu tekan-tekan kot dekat pipi tu. Cuba try. Pejam je. Tekan dekat pipi tu. Tekan lembut-lembut je. Jangan sampai berlubang tulang tu. Okay. So he says, it's important to relax your eyes when you're studying. Pentingnya untuk awak rehatkan mata awak bila awak belajar. And students in China do these exercises twice a day. Dan murid-murid di China buat exercise ni 2 kali sehari. Okay, dia kata good for your eyes. Okay, cuba kita buat sekejap. Okay, everyone close your eyes. Tutup mata. Okay, letak 2 jari dekat pipi. Okay, cuba tekan sikit dekat tulang tu. Tekan sikit je. Jangan tekan banyak sampai berlubang. Gerak-gerak sikit kiri, kanan. Exercise mata. Mata tutup. Exercise. Sekejap. Rasa relax tak? Kalau awak tekan kuat-kuat sakit lah. Tak payah tekan kuat-kuat. Tekan lembut-lembut je. Macam acah-acah usik-usik gitu. Okay, buka mata. Rasa macam exercise ke? Tak tahu. Teacher tak rasa apa-apa pun. Okay. Tak apa. Let's continue. Maybe kita buat salah exercise ni. Okay, tak apa. Let's continue. Okay, the first question is, where is the school? Sekolah ni dekat mana? Ada tulis apa? Dekat sini kena tukar sikit. Dia tulis Chinese. Awak tak boleh tulis Chinese. Chinese tu maksudnya orang Cina. Dia tanya sekolah ni dekat mana? Kalau awak tulis Chinese, sekolah ni dekat mana? Dekat orang Cina. Macam mana kita nak tukar? The school is in China. Tukar jadi China. Nama negara dia. In China. Okay. Alright, kita tengok pula the writer. Is the writer positive or negative about it? Orang ni suka ke orang ni tak suka dengan sekolah ni? Positive or negative? It is positive. Dia suka. Macam mana kita nak tahu dia suka ke tak? Dia setuju. Tengok dia kata it's important. Dia kata ini sangat penting. Maksudnya dia setuju. Dia baca. Dia setuju. Maksudnya dia positif lah. Kalau dia tak suka macam tadi yang dia cakap not very practical. Betul, dia cakap not important. Okay. Alright, let's continue with the last school. Alright. Gambar. Kakak-kakak tengah menari. Ada uncle-uncle tengah main band dekat belakang ni. Okay, let's look at this together. Macam tadi, ikut teacher baca. This is my secondary school in Ireland. We're having a dance class and it's a lot of fun. There are a lot of traditional dances in Ireland. I'm not dancing. I'm watching the dances. Our teachers are playing the musical instruments. Alright, okay, kita tengok dia cakap apa. This is my secondary school in Ireland. Ingat teacher cakap secondary tadi, sekolah kedua maksudnya sekolah menengah. Okay, so secondary school sekolah menengah in dekat mana? Ireland. Okay, we're having a dance class. Kami tengah kelas dance. Oh, dia ada kelas dance, kelas menari. And it's a lot of fun. And then sangat seronok, fun. Ingat seronok. There are a lot of traditional dances in Ireland. Okay, dekat Ireland banyak tarian tradisional. Ni tarian tradisional dia lah kot. Yang angkat kaki ni. Dekat Malaysia pun banyak tarian tradisional. Tarian tradisional Melayu, we have zapin, we have joget. Okay, and then we also have tarian tradisional macam Sabah Sarawak tu, we have Sumazau, ikut dia punya kaum. And macam-macam lagi lah banyak. Orang asli pun ada tarian dia yang sewang-sewang tu. So dekat Malaysia sebab kita ada banyak kaum, kita pun ada banyak traditional dancers. Okay. Kita sambung. Dia cakap, I'm not dancing. Saya bukan yang orang yang menari. Dia maksudnya bukan dia ni. Okay. I'm watching the dancers. Saya sedang tengok penari-penari ni. Dia duduk tepi. Macam awak lah. Ada 2-3 orang buat persembahan. Orang lain duduk tepi je tak nak persembahkan. Tutup muka bila teacher pandang kan. Okay. Our teachers are playing the musical instruments. Cikgu-cikgu kami sedang main kan alat-alat muzik. Ni cikgu-cikgu dia lah, angka-angka kat belakang ni. Ada main gitar, ada main this thing. Alright. Let's look at the question. The first one, where is the school? Dekat mana sekolah ni? Dekat mana? Dia cakap in Ireland. So, kita tulis the school is in Ireland. Okay, dekat Ireland. Okay, question number 2. Is the writer positive or negative about it? Penulis ni positif ke negatif? Dia suka ke dia tak suka dengan apa yang dia cerita ni, apa yang dia tengok ni? Ingat, penulis dia ialah orang dalam kelas ni. Okay, what do you think? Yes or no? Yes, dia positif. Okay. Macam mana kita tahu dia positif? Macam mana kita tahu dia suka sekolah ni ataupun kelas ni? Because dia ada cakap, it's a lot of fun. Dia sangat seronok. Mestilah dia suka kan? Kalau dia tak suka, mesti dia cakap, not fun. Tak best langsung. Okay? Alright. Okay, let's continue. Your last exercise kot. I know, ada exercise 5 kan? Exercise 4 dulu. Okay, exercise 4. Read the text again and answer these questions. Awak baca semula karangan pasal 4 sekolah tadi. The text about the 4 schools and answer the questions. Okay, kemudian jawab. Ada 3 je soalan ni teacher rasa. Jangan lupa pause Pause dulu. Pause video ni sekarang, jawab. Pause cepat. Yang tipu. Dosa nanti. Pause. Okay, dah siap? Okay, ni questions dia. Ada 3. Alright. Bawa keluar red pen. Take out your red pen for you to mark your answers. Okay, A. When is transport a problem in Bangladesh? Okay, ini pasal the first school tadi. The boat school in Bangladesh. Dia ada cakap pasal ada transport problem. So the answer is when there's a lot of rain. Bila banyak hujan. So ada jalan yang tak boleh lalu. So kalau naik boat school tu boleh pergi ambil dekat kampung. If you have this correct, you can tick on your answer or tick on the question. Mana-mana awak suka. Okay, B. What is a boarding school? Apa boarding school? Teacher ada sebut sekejap tadi. Apa boarding school tu? Dalam kerangan ada. It's in the Eton College. Text. A school where students study, eat and sleep. Sekolah di mana students dia belajar dekat situ, makan dekat situ, tidur pun dekat situ. Okay? Alright. If you have this correct, put a tick. Kalau salah, pangkah, tulis jawapan dia dengan pen merah. Okay, C. How often do the Chinese students exercise their eyes? Berapa kerap, how often, berapa kerap Chinese students tadi exercise mata dia? Dia ada tulis dalam teks tu. Twice a day, 2 kali sehari. If you have this correct, put a tick. If you have it wrong, pangkah kemudian tulis dengan pen merah. Alright, let's continue. Exercise 5. Google and find the meaning of these phrases. Okay, sekarang awak ada telefon, awak ada internet, or you can ask your sister or your brother for help, or your mother or your father for help. Google dan cari maksud perkataan-perkataan ni. Ada perkataan-perkataan tadi yang kita dah tahu dah. Okay, boat school, private school, boarding school, primary school, and also secondary school. Okay, ada perkataan-perkataan dekat sini, boat school ke, private school ke, boarding school ke, primary school ke, secondary school ke. Teacher dah beritahu maksud dia. Masa kita baca tadi, I've already explained to you these words. Okay, tapi kalau awak tak dapat tangkap, Google maksud dia. Ataupun awak boleh ulang balik video ni supaya awak dengar apa teacher cakap maksud dia. Okay, kemudian tulis. Boleh? Alright. Last task. Jeng jeng jeng. Ada gambar kamera. Okay, untuk tugasan akhir untuk anda hari ini, for your last task for today, make a short video. Buat video pendek. Hari tu kita buat video pendek sekali, hari ni buat lagi satu. To talk about your favourite subject. Cerita pasal subjek favourite awak. And why you like it. Apa subjek yang awak paling suka daripada subjek banyak-banyak yang awak belajar kat sekolah tu, dan kenapa awak suka? Okay, use these prompts to help you. Gunakan ayat-ayat ni untuk tolong awak buat ayat. Number 1, my favourite subject is, sebutlah history ke, bahasa Melayu ke, English ke, physical education ke. Okay, and why you like it? I like it because, kenapa awak suka? Sebab cikgu dia handsome ke, sebab cikgu dia cantik ke, cikgu dia kelakar ke, ataupun awak memang suka subjek tu ke. Okay, you choose. Okay, 2 ayat je. What is your favourite subject and why you like it? Alright, dah siap? Please send the video to my Telegram. Hantar video dekat Telegram teacher macam biasa. Okay, task ni teacher nak hantar hari ni juga sebelum pukul 5 petang, before 5 PM. Okay, pendek je videonya. Okay, so hantar terus, alright? Buat terus, hantar terus. Okay? Alright. That is all for today. Kita dah habis kelas hari ni. Thank you very much everyone. Jangan lupa hantar kerja. Okay, bye-bye.